Hello, good evening, students. Today we are all discussing about the second semester grammar topic, second semester English subject grammar topic, correction of sentences. Correction of sentences. I will show you one of the topic from our matter, from our textbook. Correction of errors in sentences. Correction of errors in sentences. This is our today's topic. This is our today's topics. Now I will show you one of the matter for the here are a few sentences which the subjects and verbs highlighted. Note the match between the subject and the verb in each sentence. I am a student. The officials were busy last Sunday. Padma has a lot of work to do now. Ritvik had a wonderful tour in the last summer vacation. Ritvik had a wonderful tour in the last summer vacation. Shobha works in a corporate bank. Shobha works in a corporate bank. The boys live in a hostel. The boys live in a hostel. My friends worked hard for the final exam. My friends worked hard for the final exam. We went to Hyderabad yesterday. We went to Hyderabad yesterday. These are the example sentences. When we are using the subjects, what verb, which verb we will use we want to decide. And other exercises also there in our practices. In our practices. It's a person and a number. Look at the following tables and for a subject verb agreement. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate verb forms from the brackets. You see our text, which are the examples here is there. My friends does yoga every day. Practices. My friends is the plural. My friend is the singular. My friends is the plural. Practice. She dash to the temple every day. She go to the temple every day. Not. She goes to the temple every day. She goes to the temple every day. She is the third person singular. Dash. I take the salary last week. I take the salary last week. Ravale dash. Ravale is good at physics. Ravale is good at physics. Not or. Ravale is the singular number. They dash close friends. They are close friends. You have a pet dog. He has a good book. We dash. We had a sumptuous dinner last night. We had a sumptuous dinner last night. When we are correction the words, or when we are correction the words in the sentences, you have to remember the points which are in your mind. You see. Points to remember. Power saving. Yes. When we are correction these sentences, you have to remember the points. Which are the points to remember? You see. Words related to subject. Words related to the subjects. such as mathematics, physics, economics, politics, and statistics, games such as billiards, and diseases such as mumps and measles always take a singular verb. Statistics is my favorite subject. Statistics is my favorite subject. Measles was a dangerous disease. Measles was a dangerous disease. Uncountable nouns such as furniture, luggage, advice, information, and uncountable nouns such as furniture, luggage, advice, information, and news always take a singular verb. The furniture in the restaurant is wonderful. The furniture in the restaurant is wonderful. Unique pairs of words. Unique pairs of words such as time and tide, none for the weight. Bread and butter, better to health. Cup and saucer, we use it very much. And two always take a singular verb. Time and tide waits for none. Time and tide waits for nine. These are the examples when we are using the unique pairs of words. And words such as each, everyone, none, much, a little, neither, and either always take a singular verb. Words such as each, everyone, none, much, a little, neither, and either always take a singular verb. Everyone has attended the exam. Everyone has attended the exam. Each member of the class, each member of the first BA class attend to the English class. Each member of the first BA class attend to the English class. Words such as one of, either of, neither of, none of, a pair of, and many of always take a singular verb. Words such as one of, either of, neither of, none of, a pair of, and a many of always take a singular verb. These are the very important aspects when we are using the correction of the sentences. Correction of the sentences. This is a very important when we are using the examples also. And words such as one of, either of, neither of, none of, a pair of, and many of always take a singular verb. One of my friends is expected to attend the internal exam. One of my friends is expected to attend the internal exam. Collective nouns such as band, army, team, flock, and had always take a singular verb. Collective nouns such as band, army, team, flock, and had always take a singular verb. The Indian Army has emerged as victorious. The Indian Army has emerged as victorious. Words such as scissors, spectacles, tongs, forceps, trousers, pants, shorts, and police always take a plural verb. Words such as scissors, spectacles, tongs, forceps, trousers, pants, shorts, and police always take a plural verb. The police have reached the spot on time. The police have reached the spot on time. This way, in the expression such as either or, neither nor, the verb always agrees with the nearest noun. In expressions such as either or, neither nor, the verb always agrees with the nearest noun. Neither the students nor the parents are responsible for the damage. Neither the student nor the presents Neither the students nor the parents are responsible for the damage. In the expressions such as along with, together with, together with, and as well as, the verb agree with the first noun. The verb agrees with the first noun. The CM as well as his cabinet works for the welfare of the people. The CM as well as his cabinet works for the welfare of the people. If the two words in a sentence represent the same person, they always take a singular verb. If the two words in a sentence represent the same person, they always take a singular verb. The captain and the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team was awarded man of the match. The captain and the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team was awarded the man of the match. If the two words in a sentence represents a different person, they take a plural verb. If the two words in a sentence represent different persons, they take a plural verb. The captain and the wicket keeper of Indian cricket team were jointly awarded man of the match. The captain and the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team were jointly awarded the man of the match. These are the other examples of the correction of sentences. We will see some more examples. Bread and butter are good for health. Bread and butter is good for health. The spectacles is attractive. The spectacles are attractive. Billiards are very hard to play. Billiards is very hard to play. Already we discussed in the first point words related such as the mathematics, physics, economics, politics and statistics, games such as billiards, and diseases such as mumps and measles take always a singular verb. Statistics is my favorite subject. Billiards is very hard to play. My uncle and advisor has come to my home. Neither of the students has failed in English. One of my friends is in the USA. My friends is in the USA. The principal along with the lecturers has attended the meeting. The luggage is very heavy. The luggage is very heavy. The luggage word is not the plural, it's a singular. Either the manager or the customer have agreed to the proposal. The cricket team consists of 11 players. The cricket team consists of 11 players. And we will see some more examples. What are our exercise purposes? We will see some more examples of the clause for the which is our benefits of the
ఓ స్నానం చేపిస్తావా చేపివా?
You see some more examples, noun words, which are the very useful to our. Notice the common mistakes in the use of nouns. You have to notice which are the common mistakes when you are using the answers for the correction of sentences. You have to see the matter in our material. The following nouns are not used in the plural. We treat it as a singulars. These are the words: information, furniture, scenery, poetry, advice, knowledge, news, politics, alphabet, imaginary, luggage, diesel, petrol, wheat, sugar, rice, water, milk, tea, coffee, weather, climate, atmosphere, etc. These are the nouns we are not used as a plural form. These are the all singulars. Read the following sentence correct in the underlined parts. The first one is done for you. Your informations are wrong. Your information is wrong. Your information is wrong. He has bought expensive furniture. Children should learn the alphabets with joy. Children should learn the alphabet with a joyful movement. He has deep knowledges of various fields. You don't put the S. Knowledges are there, only knowledge is there in a various subjects. And you see, the sceneries of the Darjeeling are very beautiful. The sceneries of Darjeeling is very beautiful. Some nouns are always used in a plural. Some nouns are always take a plural forms. You see some of the more examples: surroundings, police, premises, savings, innings, spectacles, eyeglasses, goods, shorts, thanks, etc. are the plural forms. Correct the underlined parts. Keep your surroundings clean. Keep your surroundings clean, not the surrounding. Surroundings. The police have caught the smugglers. The police have caught the smugglers. Police is the plural form. This good is an important one. These goods are an important one. The first innings is over. The first inning is over, not the correct. They say the first innings is over. We must express thanks to those who help us. Some nouns are plural in form, but they are used as a singular. Some of them are economics, physics, civics, gymnastics, athletics, measles, mumps, politics, news, series, etc. are the plural. Correct the underlined part. Economics is an interesting subject. Athletics is an interesting sport. The news of the earthquake has spread like wildfire. Measles is a dangerous disease. Uncountable nouns are not used in the plural. It's a singular. Correct the underlined parts. Ocean sands is not used for construction. Ocean sands is not used for construction. CV Raman's knowledge of all branches of physics is abnormal. Some nouns and the correct usage you see, which is the wrong way and which is the right way. Cousin brother or cousin sister is a wrong way. She is my cousin, he is my cousin is the correct way. Brother-in-laws, not the use of the plural form, it's a singular. Brothers-in-law, my brothers-in-law. She is a sisters-in-law. Sister-in-laws, sisters-in-law. Passers-by. Hangers on. Lookers on. Governors general. The governors general of India before the independent. Men servants. These are the right way of the using of the women servants. Women servants. Poultries, Poultries. Poultry, Poultry. Poultry. Sheep. Deer. Swine. Offsprings. These are the some more examples when we are using the words in our correction of sentences. In our exercise, it's a very important to the examinations. This will actions they are asked for the 10 marks. This will ask for the 10 marks. Every student of this class has been practices their own words which are the material provided in the text. What we are sending for the purposes of the materials to the examinations, you have to take out as the practices. These are the very, very important for the preparable examinations, which are the practices for our practice sessions. It's a very useful to the students and very useful for the examinations as well as the examinations. The broadcast of the material is very, very important when we are taking it from the net or e-learning is a very important content for the purpose. Everyone of the class or everyone of this section is have to practice yourself which are the material provided in our cell phones or in the internet. It's a very useful for the examinations. It's a useful for the examinations. Most of the students have done the very easy to answers, which are they are provided for the after the questioning words. They are mentioned the words which are the answer words in the bracket after the questioning sentences. This is very easy to answering when you write the answers in the answer booklets. Most of the students you have to feel or you have to write the all exercises for the examinations. And some more examples I will read. You have to see. my brother-in-laws are working in the USA. This is the wrong way sentence. We have to write the my brothers-in-law. My brothers-in-law are working in the USA. My brothers-in-law is a working in the USA. There is a scarcity. There is a scarcity of man servants nowadays. There is a scarcity of men servants. Men servants. Man servants nowadays. Many passers-by observed the accident. Many passers-by observed the accident. Moses has spoiled the crop. Moses spoiled the crops. There are 5 women in the team. There are 5 women in the team. My cousin brother is a doctor. We don't call the cousin brother. My cousin is a doctor. She is my cousin. He is my cousin. We are used that way the words. We should wash our feet before coming into the house. We should wash our feet before coming into the house. He has many sheep. He has many sheep. He has many sheep. Some cattle are grazing in the field. Some cattle are grazing in the field. Okay, which are the pronouns we are using in the sentences? Which are the pronouns we are using in the sentences also? It's a one of, each of, either of, neither of, none of, etc. are always followed by a plural noun or pronoun. When they are taken as the subject of a sentence, they are followed by singular verb. Correct the mistakes in the of the following sentences. One of my classmates is a doctor. One of my classmates is a doctor. It's a very useful to the preferable. It's a useful to the preferable to the practices. It's a very useful to the preferable to the practices in our own words. In our own words, it's a very interesting. It's a very interesting. Okay, you see there's some more examples when we are using our own words in a corrections of errors in sentences. Corrections of errors in sentences. Correction of errors in sentences. Correction of errors in sentence. It's a very easy to answer. It's a very easy to answer to the question. Every one of this class students are very hard to practice the correction of sentences. Which are the remembering points? Which are the remembering points? You have to read or you have to thoroughly practice as in your own. when we are answering the correction of sentences, these points to in your mind, don't forget. It's a remember points in your mind. You see, once I am reading the remembering points. Words related to subject such as mathematics, physics, economics, politics, and statistics, games such as billiards, and diseases such as mumps and measles always take a singular verb. Statistics is my favorite subject. Billiards is too hard to play. Billiards is too hard to play. Measles was a dangerous disease. Measles was a dangerous disease. And which are the uncountable nouns such as furniture, luggage, advice, information, and news, sugar, wheat always take a singular verb. The furniture in the restaurant is wonderful. The luggage is heavy. The luggage is heavy. The luggage is heavy in the hand. Unique pairs of words such as time and tide, bread and butter, cup and saucer, and two and two always take a singular verb. Time and tide no, waits for none. Time and tide waits for none. And words such as each, everyone, none, much, a little, neither, and either always take a singular verb. Everyone has attended the meeting, or everyone has attended to the examinations. Each person of this class have to practice. Each person of this has to practice the sentences your own. It's a very useful to the examination. Words such as one of, either of, neither of, none of, a pair of, and many of always take a singular verb. Singular verb. And we want to see some more examples. Words such as one of, either of, neither of, none of, a pair of, and many of always take a singular verb. One of my friends is expected to attend the internal exam. One of my friends is in the USA. He is doing the job. And a collective noun such as band, army, team, flag, and hat always take a singular verb. The Indian Army has emerged to victorious. The Indian Army has emerged as victorious in the war. Words such as scissors, spectacles, tongs, worships, trousers, pants, shorts, and police always take a plural form or a plural verb. The police have reached the spot on time. The spectacles are very attractive. In the expressions such as either or, neither nor, the verb always agrees with the nearest noun. neither the student nor the parents, neither the student nor the parents are responsible for the degrees, responsible for the damage. Neither the student nor the parents are responsible for the damage. In the expressions such as along with, together with, and as well as, the verb agrees with the first noun. The CM as well as his cabinet works for the welfare of the people. The CM as well as his cabinet works for the welfare of the people. These are the very useful examples to our examination for the practices. And if the two words in a sentence represent the same person, they always take a singular verb. The captain and the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team was awarded the man of the match. Awarded man of the match. If the two words in a sentence represent different persons, they take a plural verb. The captain and the wicket keeper. The captain and the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team were jointly awarded man of the match. We want to see some more examples of the practices. You see here, correct the following sentences where necessary. Bread and butter are good for health. Bread and butter is good for health. The spectacles are attractive. Billiards is very hard to play. Billiards is very hard to play. My uncle and advisor have come to my home. My uncle and advisor has come to my home. Neither of the students has failed in English. One of my friends is in the USA. One of my friends is in the USA. The principal along with the lecturers have attended the meeting. The principal along with the lecturers have attended the meeting. The luggage is very heavy. The luggage is very heavy. Either the manager or the customers have agreed the proposal. Either the manager or the customer have agreed the proposal. The cricket team consists of 11 players. The cricket team consists of 11 players. These are the examples of in our textbook or in our material. We have to practice yourself and you have to correct the sentences when you are using the answering the for correction of sentences. These are the very most important for the examination purpose and as well as the as a language student, as a language learner. It's a wonderful of the practice session for the everyone for the individuals, everyone for the individuals. And here are some more examples. What are the words and what are the noun words and pronoun words, which are the right sentence and which are the wrong sentences in your own. You have to see some more examples in the material. It's a very useful to the practices, very useful to the practices. In this class, every student has to practice the correction of sentences in our own. It's a taking the good marks to the examination, and you have to get the good grading for the result. And it's a wonderful opportunity to get the good grade in the examination. And most of the students, you have to practice your own session when you are using the practice sentences in your own. It's a very helpful to the examination. And most of the students are they are take out as a very easy to pass in the examination, but as a learner of this language is a very interesting. When you are prepared, the all of you for the examination, it's a practice is the most important for the answering of the every question. In this way, they are asked the correction of sentence for the 10 marks in your examination. It's a very wonderful for the opportunity to get the or and gain the good score in the examinations. Each one of this class has prepared very well, and you get the good marks, and you have to get the good answers for the examination, and as well as the personal benefit of the result also. It's a very useful to the students and useful for the college also for the implementation of good admissions. And all of you prepare well and you get the good result for the examination, and your personal benefit also in the semesters is a very important. When you are practices your own, you have to take out the more examples which are the provided in the material is very important. Every person of this section is important to the near and dearest to the commencement of the classes, and as well as the important to the results. Most of the classes were they are not attended regularly the classes. It's a very bad to the students, and you have to get the good information from your friends which are the benefit for the examination and which are the useful for the competitive examinations also very important. This correction of sentences is also most important for the various competitive examinations like a constable examination and BSF and RPF and VRA and VRO, which are the every year they are conducting the separate section, separate examination for the employment. It's a very useful to the students. everyone of this class is prepared very well and get the good marks for your examination, and you have to get the good knowledge for the other information for the future purpose also. All of you, good luck, and all of you better future in the your studies.